Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel. So do you get a notification when someone unfollows you on Instagram? That is the topic of today's video. So I'm going to open up Instagram and show you how this would work. And if I go on from this account is one of my other accounts. If I go to my main profile, you can see I'm currently following this page. Now, if I go ahead and I unfollow myself from the main page, so I'm not following this account anymore. Now that account is unfollowed. So now if I switch my accounts real quick, so I'll go here, then I'll go to settings, and then I'll tap on add or switch accounts. And you can see I'll log into the account that I just unfollowed from. So if I log into that account and then I go to my notifications by tapping the heart icon at the top, you can see I just have follow requests and some new notifications of people to follow. So you can see that there is no notification that I have been unfollowed by that other account. And that is your answer. So you don't get a notification when someone unfollows you on Instagram. You only get a notification when someone follows you. And that is basically all there is to it. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.